So hello and welcome back everyone, and if you are someone who is planning to pursue any online degree from Gen Online Bangalore, then this video is for you because this video has included all the facts and figures about this university that you must know. So it's a must watch video, and apart from that I also have a very big and great opportunity for you all that you must know. So उसके लिए भी इस वीडियो को जरूर देखें जिसको मैं आपको वीडियो के लास्ट में जरूर रिवील करूंगी. So चलिए फिर जल्दी से स्टार्ट करते हैं about all the facts and figures of this university, and I really wanted to share that I also have personally visited this university and have met the higher authorities of this university. So firstly, to select any university, it is very important to know its all the approvals, what are the approvals this university holds. And if we talk about Gen Online, then this university has NAC A++ accreditation. That means it is one of the pioneer university and one of the topmost university if we talk about the quality of education, because it is very difficult to get the NAC A++ accreditation. Apart from that, this university has World Education Services, UGC approved, NIRF ranking, AICTE approval and a lot more approvals. अब हम इस university के other factors की बात करें, so this university has 2000 plus hiring corporates, 65% salary hike, 78% career success rate, which is a very good number, 15,000 plus job facilitated, and 42 LPA is the highest salary package. Also, this university has transitioned 21,000 careers. But the question is, what makes this university different from others? So this university is offering 20% scholarship to all the Gen alumni, and this university is also offering you Engage, where you get a lot of other facilities like campus immersion, where you will get international immersion programs and also domestic immersion programs. It also offers you industry visits, global networking opportunities, even in online education. If you choose any online degree program from this university, you also get podcasts, talk shows, certified masterclass, and webinars. Also, this university is all set to give you live-like experience where they are offering you showcase and celebrate, in which you will get sports day, talent shows, workshops, and public speaking forums. Not just this, you will also have some fun, where you will get annual events, reality shows, contests and competitions, social events, concerts and music shows, quarterly newsletter and wellness sessions. So if we talk about the and apart from that, you're also getting international and national immersion programs. So now we will talk about the programs this university is offering, and this university offers you both UG and PG programs, and they are also offering you a lot of specialization, and there are many dual specializations like online MBA in marketing and HR and many more. अब बात करेंगे फी स्ट्रक्चर की, तो अगर आप मास्टर्स डिग्री करते हैं then your fee structure starts from rupees 40,000 per semester, and if you are doing an graduation program then the fee structure is 27,500 per semester. They are also offering EMI facility. So अगर आपको लगता है कि आप इसे अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते then you can go for education loan. And मैं आपको बता दूं, अब कॉलेज विद्या भी आपको EMI facility प्रोवाइड करता है, एजुकेशन लोन प्रोवाइड करता है. So if you take admission through कॉलेज विद्या तो आपको अदर फैसिलिटीज के साथ साथ आप एजुकेशन लोन के लिए भी अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, एंड वी मेक श्योर कि हम आपकी पूरी की पूरी मदद करें. So as I said earlier, this university is offering 2000 plus hiring corporates. So यहाँ पे आपको hiring के भी काफी अच्छे chances मिल जाते हैं with a great number of hiring partners. And to get the idea of it, आप यहाँ के alumni को भी सुन सकते हैं, उनके experiences को सुन सकते हैं. अब हम classes की बात करें तो यहाँ पे आपकी high quality of faculties तो होती हैं, but उसके साथ साथ आपको live online classes मिलती हैं, आपको recorded lectures भी मिलते हैं, एंड आपको एक प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपोजर भी यहाँ पे दिया जाता है. आपके बहुत सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स होते हैं, बहुत कुछ आपको प्रैक्टिकली भी सिखाया जाता है. अब स्टूडेंट्स का एक बहुत बड़ा क्वेश्चन है कि अगर हमको कहीं भी प्रॉब्लम आती है, हमें सपोर्ट की जरूरत है, तो फिर हम क्या कर सकते हैं? सो दिस यूनिवर्सिटी इज ऑल्सो ऑफरिंग यू ग्रीवांस रिड्रेसल एंड स्टूडेंट सपोर्ट सेल वेयर यू कैन कंप्लेन, एंड इट इज 24/7 फैसिलिटी। तो आप इसे कभी भी अपनी जो भी आपकी क्वेरी है यू कैन रेज इट, एंड अगर आप ग्रीवांस रिड्रेसल की तरफ भी जाना चाहते हैं देन यू कैन ऑल्सो गो देयर। सो एज आई सेड अर्लियर, मैं आपको यहाँ पे एक बहुत अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी भी बताना चाहती हूँ। सो द अपॉर्चुनिटी दैट कॉलेज विद्या इज गिविंग इज CV subsidy of up to rupees 10,000. Yes, you heard it right. We are offering up to rupees 10,000 CV subsidy. So if you take admission through College Vidya, you'll get the benefit of CV subsidy, and some amount of your fee structure will be returned to you. So it is a great initiative by College Vidya to increase the gross enrollment ratio by 50%. Also, if you have already planned to pursue online degree from JN Online or from any online university, then we also give you the benefit of CV community. Then one counselor will be dedicatedly connected with you, and you will get the community where you will get connected with the other students and you will make a good network. And apart from that, we also offer jobs and internship opportunity that you can avail lifetime. If you need an internship and if you need jobs, then you can apply it through College Vidya. So if you are thinking what is the benefit of taking admission through College Vidya in any online education program, then these are some of the best benefits that you will get. And to avail these benefits, you will have to click the link below in description box, and you'll get the form where you can choose your course and fill the details so that we can connect with you and we can solve all your queries and we can move forward with the procedure. And with the link, you'll get all the facilities and also free counseling. So click the link below in description box and get your free counseling and get the admission in Right Online University. So this is all about this university. If you have any question or query, you can write it us on comment section, and if you have any request, you can even write that in comment section. I'll try to provide the video on the same topic. And do connect with us, do subscribe this channel for more such videos, for more such content. And if you like the video, do like it and share it with your friends and family.